I'm not afraid high mileage on the clock. Main thing condition of car. Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. Frame good condition, body not rusty. And today our topic high mileage Volvos worth buying right now. All the time, Volvos was a very reliable, valuable car for selling, for buying them. And right now, I think cars will be valuable, which we can maintain. We have access for spare parts, we have access for repairing shops and spare parts supplied to these stores, auto parts stores, even today. But special auto parts stores probably online so you can maintain your car in working condition. As we know, more famous, more, if you want, popular cars, Volvo models, I'm interested in Volvo's 140 series, which I personally prefer using. Yes, I know, I noticed, and a lot of offers. Volvo Amazon 240 series. And another's 444 series also Volvo's was popular. But I personally, even with frame, this models was. But I personally prefer 140 series just because probably design. Yes, I like this design of Volvo 140 series, old dashboard without these protrusions for align surface of dashboard. So I'm really impressed decades ago by this dashboard. And I prefer 140 series. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing. But a lot of offers 240 series, Volvo Amazon, but 140 series really hard to find nowadays, especially first generation of 60s. I prefer first generation of Volvos. 60s years models was more reliable, more quality parts and materials from which was made out. These cars, I think, plastic of dashboard, really hard to find with cracks. Models from 60s, probably the owners put them in a garage and they not parking them under the sun. Maybe this factor also very important for saving cars in pristine shape. Yes, more popular cars will be better to buy, as I mentioned. 140 series, Volvo Amazon 240 series you can add, and in the comments down below you can say me which models also can be more popular. Please do in the comments box, and I think a lot of guys will be interesting about your thoughts, including me. For owning them with good access for spare parts, you can find mechanics if you need. If you have to find mechanics, this is more easier to find mechanics which have experience of working with these cars. Electronics, not too complex car. You don't want to messing with this electronic, injection system, injectors. I prefer carburetors. A lot of parts interchangeable. This was a very famous fuel systems, carburetors, a lot of parts interchangeable. Ignition system, also a lot of parts interchangeable. This is Bosch famous ignition system, mechanical ignition system, nothing difficult to working on them with our hands. You not need special fancy tools to working with this fuel system and ignition system and a lot of parts interchangeable. This is really good. And ideally will be better to buy a car before 70s without any additional electronic. You not need to messing with this whole bunch of electronic in the car. If you have money, you buy this car, you planning to go to mechanics for repairing procedures, but this is really expensive. Will be better to repair if you buy old car. Will be better to repair it by own hands. And let's hope that your relatives, your kids, gladly can helping you in this repair. Even Granny can hold anything to help you in this repair. And we never underestimate the kindness of our pets, of our cats. They can help you in psychological aspect. Now, more than decades ago, a lot of information online. You can find videos online with commentary. If you're interested in my repairing videos, I'll put the links down below in the comment box. You know, I have to admit that I'm not afraid high mileage cars, but I'm more afraid of crazy owners, of salty roads, of bad roads. Cars from north, they always will be rusty. Salt and bad roads can damage car body more than high mileage. If you're driving on highway, nothing wrong. You go to city, you riding stop, gas, stop, without transmission, without brakes, without engine. So nothing wrong with high mileage. I think you always want to see condition of car. You're never going to buy rusty car from the north. Maybe car spent all winters in the garage, then nothing wrong even in the north. But in a lot of cases, they driving all year on salty road, salty surface. Bad roads can damage body, frame will be worn with cracks, you know. Volvo 140 series, Volvo Amazon, 240 series Volvo, frame and body welded together. You can separate them. So this is construction of body. And you know, if any old guy or probably old couple want to selling old car, you can buy it. I not think that they riding a lot on this car. Not afraid high mileage. I'm afraid a lot of electronics. Car should be simplicity. If you want to repair car by own hands, so do yourself car repair and you save money. Will be better. Simple car more better. I'm not afraid of high mileage. Main thing car condition. You know, the roads, the environment where car was worked, where they're using this car without damages from the salt. This is greatest enemy for our cars. Salt, bumpy roads. And if you have old car, try to do everything in your power to continue longevity of your car from 60s, because this is a really valuable car from 60s. They simple and they can last forever, and always guys want to buy them. Yes, you can find any guys selling them. Probably they don't know what they missed out on. And if you find this good car, you should be rush to buy this car right Now, if you find this car, otherwise, pretentious brats buying this car before you.